Let's look at the steps to calibrate a Gilson HM-30D concrete air meter with digital gauge. The Gilson HM-30D concrete air meter with digital gauge is a high-quality, highly accurate Type B concrete air meter. To calibrate the Gilson HM-30D concrete air meter with digital gauge using the vessel method, start by pressing and holding the power button until the gauge turns on. Be sure the petcocks are in the open position and the air bleeder valve is loose to release any pressure in the system. Fill the measuring bowl completely with room temperature water. Now, thread the short piece of the straight tubing into the threaded petcock opening on the underside of the cover. Clamp the cover on the measuring bowl with the tube extending down into the water. Next, using a syringe, add water through the petcock that has the extension below it until air is expelled from the opposite petcock. For calibration setup, press for several seconds, then release the menu button. The display will read Abort. Press for several seconds, then release the 0 button to tare the pressure reading. Now, press for several seconds, then release the menu button again. The display will read Calibrate or CALIB. Press the Enter button 3 times to begin the calibration process. Now, tighten the air bleeder valve cap and pump up the air pressure to 14.5. Allow the gauge to stabilize and then press Enter. If the gauge displays low or high, make appropriate adjustments and then press Enter. Now close both petcocks. Now, when prompted by the gauge, hold down the needle valve lever and press Enter. The gauge will perform a 10-second countdown, then will indicate when to release the lever. The pressure will be shown on the gauge. The gauge will have a purge displayed. This prompt should be ignored by pressing Enter to bypass this message. Next, screw the curved tube into the topside petcock associated with the previously inserted bottom straight tube. Press the needle valve lever and hold it. Then, gradually open the petcock to control the flow. Carefully fill the calibration vessel completely. Do not overfill. Now, open the free petcock to release the pressure in the bowl. After pressure is released, open the curved tube side petcock to allow the water in the tube to flow back into the bowl. Now there is 5% air in the measuring bowl. With both petcocks open, tighten the air bleeder valve cap and pump up the air pressure to the predetermined pressure of 14.5. Allow the pressure to stabilize. Press Enter and the gauge will display OK. The gauge will display high or low if the reading is off. Adjust pressure as necessary, then press Enter. Once the gauge displays OK, close both petcocks. Now, when prompted by the gauge, hold down the needle valve lever and press Enter. The gauge will perform a 10-second countdown, then will indicate when to release the lever. The pressure will be shown on the gauge. Finally, press Enter to save calibration or hold the menu button to abort and not save the calibration. Then the gauge will automatically turn off. To further verify the calibration procedure just demonstrated, perform a standard air content measurement on the water remaining in the measuring bowl. The percent air value displayed should equal plus or minus 0.1% the volume of the calibration vessel. For any questions about calibrating your Gilson concrete air meter with digital gauge, or for any Gilson product, please contact your Gilson technical support team.